It's cute, though.
Marcus! Marcus? Here, Marcus! Up here.
Oh, Jesus, he misses his children.
No. In nature, chimps eat baby monkeys whenever they can get their hands on them. Google it.
Tell Marcus we will get him baby monkey. But first, he has to do something for us, something for his country. Help, Space Force. Get banana.
No smell banana, where banana?
Banana there. Special banana. Frozen banana. Banana.
Bored, hungry, horny.
Tell him I know bored. Sorry, hungry. Horny, bad. There, look at, he did it! He did it, he's ready for a spacewalk. God damn it, I love this fucking chimp. Okay, missed it. Okay, that, go, now go, he's there. Go, 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 press it, press it. Yeah, yeah! Okay, now we're talking. All right, good. Dr. Mallory, just in time to see a Space Force hero kicking ass at the scene. Both Finn and Drill. Finn and Drill. All right, no, don't. What did he? No, Marcus, don't hit that. Bad Marcus, don't do that. There we go. All right.
Wait, Marcus, stop.
Oh, wait. Whoa. Should he release? Oh, damn it. Oh, mother of God. What is that?
I believe that Marcus, at some point in the last 2 weeks, must have eaten Theodore.
Seriously? Do not go with them, Marcus. They are. You're not doing it. Oh, you dog-eating bastard.